Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Shrestha, and in today's video I'm going to share a weekend vlog with me. Yes, it's a Saturday basically. I woke up and made some stewed spiced apples. This recipe is by Radhi. I absolutely love to eat the spicy apples in the morning with my detox or a warm water. And usually after an hour of this I'm ready to have my breakfast. So for my breakfast I wanted to have mushroom sandwiches. For that I just made a very quick mushroom stuffing. All I did was heat some pan, add some oil, add some finely chopped garlic and some onion, saute it, add your spices, cumin powder, coriander powder, a little bit of garam masala, salt, and then add chopped mushrooms. Use a lid, cover it for like roughly 5 to 8 minutes and your sabzi will be ready. It's so delicious, so easy, and one of my favorite go-to recipes for my breakfast. Usually Saturdays are very busy for me and you'll know why, because as soon as I'm done with my breakfast I have a lot of things to do on a Saturday. So here I'm also making my chai, my masala tea, which I absolutely love. Here's my sandwich all ready. So these days, every Saturday morning, I take mindset coaching sessions with some of my students, and it's amazing with things we come up, and I'm absolutely enjoying it. So this is my batch 1 I'm working with these days. So I didn't basically shoot that, but after I'm done with these sessions, I like to do a bit of cleaning, and I also love putting up a candle, a scented candle these days. So I am trying out this new gingerbread cookie one. It smells so divine and good, guys. So once I am done with all these things, I usually sit down because there is another session I have to attend in the day, and that's my business coaching session, which I learned from my mentor. Hey guys, I'm just done with my mindset coaching sessions, and now I'm just gonna make some tea for myself and breakfast for Richie, and after that I'm just gonna take some rest. My throat needs some rest now, and then I'm gonna start settling in for my very own session, the sessions I take to build my own mindset coaching sessions and the whole business aspect of it. So yes, there's a lot going on Saturday where I invest in myself and also on my sessions. And if you can see, we have a new guest here today, a huge zit. Yes, it's painful and I can't do anything about it. So yeah, so there's a lot going on Saturday where I take mindset coaching sessions, as well as I learn about how to work on a side hustles and things like that. It's all about doing your side hustle plus investing in your own learning. So that's a Saturday for me. So here I am attending that session with my mentor in a group coaching class. As soon as the session got over, it was time for my driving lesson, and I left around 1:30 for my driving lesson. So guys, I just came after doing my driving lesson. Yes, I told you Saturdays are crazy, and I'm just done with my driving lesson, and yeah, it's very chilly outside. Hey guys, so yes, it was really chilly outside, so I came after my driving lesson, and I am so hungry already. It's 3:30 past my lunch time, and I'm just resting on my sofa. I just want to go quickly change into something comfy and perhaps maybe put some acne patch mark on it because it's getting really painful now. And yes, so as you can see, even the Saturday is one of like my very busy days of the week because of the side hustle I do and the time I invest in myself, which is again very important. And there's a whole lot story about the driving lessons I'm taking. Maybe I'm gonna talk about it more after I'm done with my lunch. And also so since, as you guys know, it's Christmas season, so few of my friends have sent me some Christmas cards and gifts. I'm going to share one which I just came and received. So I made friends with her when I was in Edinburgh, and I absolutely love her. And every year we send in Christmas cards, and it's so beautiful. So yes, I'm going to share that as well. Hey guys, so it's 6 p.m. already, and literally I haven't changed. And this is because later half of my day usually goes by talking with my family, any friend, and connecting with them. So basically, right now I was talking to my sister-in-law, and I was also talking to my mother-in-law before that, and then before that I was talking to my mom. And that's how I've already spent my time, and it's 6 p.m. already. And now I just want to show you the box I received today from my friend, and I want to show you how lovely the Christmas gifts looks. Let me show you here the box is, and yes, let's unbox my Christmas present. So here is the cutest dabba, and let's have a look. So she gave me some star-shaped baubles. Oh my god, this is so cute. A Christmas doll and this talking penguin. Absolutely love it. A Christmas tree smells amazing. I think this is because of this hand cream. Beautiful. And what is this? Okay, so I think it's one of the scent diffuser. Yes, and it's Christmas spice, so wonderful. And here's the card. So I have already opened it. So that says Shrestha and Richie, and love the card. And so this is all gonna go under the Christmas tree. So if you're watching this, thank you, Donna. I absolutely loved my gifts. And so guys, I'm planning to write all the Christmas cards I'll be sending to my friends and some family members tomorrow. Yes, I like to send in some Christmas and New Year cards. That's something I like to do, and I've been doing for a few years now. And obviously I'll be wrapping up Donna's gift as well, since she has sent me such beautiful gift. Absolutely love this cute little penguin. Okay, yeah, so I'm again still waiting for few of her gifts to come back. I've ordered them, but few of them will be coming back. Some of my friends who changed their address needs to send me their address so that I can send them their cards. So I'm just gonna rest now, maybe read a book, and then I am gonna just rest, change my clothes. And literally this needs an acne patch. I have said it quite a few times, but yes, that's all I'll be doing today. And that's how my cute little penguin looks, and it's changing colors to blue, green, yellow, white. Absolutely loving it. So these are the 2 Christmas cards I've used this year, and I have filled in all of them, and I have packed few gifts which I'll be sending in tomorrow. But I am glad this work is also done. Finally got around and started doing my skincare after changing clothes and after freshening up. And my skincare, guys, basically is still the same. It's very basic. I want to learn and amp up my skincare game for next year though. And what I wanted to share was these acne patches I'm being using. This is by Cosrx and the other one is by Dr. Belmour, but here it's easily Cosrx is easily available, and all you do is just put that patch on your painful acne, and that's it. And guys, it really works. Ever since I've been using it, it's been a savior because it really reduces the swelling and pain the next morning. As you can see, I've already used so many of these. Absolutely love it. Hey guys, so I'm done with my skincare and I feel really good. So I rested for a while, and also then I end up doing some planning and journaling for my weekend in the coming week. I love doing it because it gives me a clarity on how and what I want to do in the week, and also on a Sunday. Like, I really have a lot of stuff to do on a Sunday as well, which includes a lot of relaxing and having fun, but also some very important work, which kind of again helps me go through the week smoothly. So instead of just running behind goals and completing it, this year I have learned the importance of creating systems which takes care of itself, and systems which helps you work in the most efficient way. So yeah, I absolutely love having this 1 or even 1.5 hour where I just sit and I do the planning. After that, I love reading book, and these days I'm reading this book, The 4 Hour Work Week by Timothy Ferris. Timothy Ferris, I hope I'm not butchering his name. Initially, when I started with this book, it was not making a lot of sense to me. That was what I was telling to my students today in my mindset coaching session, that this book in the beginning was not making sense to me unless I really started reading it again and give it another chance. And while I was reading, I just came up to this point which I have to work this year. So I'll be doing setting goals and intentions for 2021, but this one thing which I've just read here and I absolutely love and wanted to share with you guys was practice the art of non-finishing. Now this is something I have been struggling with since so many years. If I start a book, I have to finish it. If I take food in my plate, I have to finish it. If I start doing some work, I have to finish it. Be it these little things or little decisions in my life or the major things I have to decide, I have to finish it. For example, you start reading a book, okay, and it doesn't serve you. It doesn't fulfill the purpose of, bringing you some enjoyment or some learnings. It's okay not to finish it. So this is something I want to learn, and that's what the author says here. He says, and I want to read it because I absolutely love these lines. He says, if you're reading an article that sucks, put it down and don't pick it back up. If you go to a movie and it's worse than Matrix 3, get the hell out of there before more neurons die. If you're full after half a plate of ribs, put the damn fork down and don't order dessert. More is not better, and stopping something is often 10 times better than finishing it. Develop the habit of non-finishing that which is boring or unproductive if a boss isn't demanding it. Basically, he wants to say that develop the habit of non-finishing, and this was something which was going in my mind for a while now, and when suddenly I read this in this book, it was like, this is it. This is something I have to work on. And with that, guys, I think I'm just gonna end the vlog right here because all it's left is it's almost 7 o'clock, and all I do now is have my dinner, spend some time with Richie, and call it a day and be ready for my Sunday. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and there will be a lot of videos coming your way. Meet me next Thursday. Until then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all.